Today I'm going to be showing you how to program a KD Bluetooth OBD entry. So this device allows you to lock and unlock your vehicle via your mobile phone with the app. So it's pretty straightforward. Open it up. It's got the same plug as your KD remotes, so you just plug in and load the appropriate profile for the vehicle onto this, and then once you're done, you're ready to program. Put the case back on, and then this device gets plugged into the OBD port of the car. All it's doing is getting power from the OBD port, and then it just acts as a remote. So you want to plug in. So this is a 2011 Toyota Yaris. Plug in to the OBD port. Once you're plugged in, you want to go into the app, into the Bluetooth settings. So I'm just actually going to delete this, it has been paired previously. So to pair the device, go back from the start. So you want to go to the settings, Bluetooth settings, and click to search. It will find the device. You want to hit pair, and it will then ask you for a 6-digit code. The default code is just 6 zeros. You can change this at a later date if you wish to. Hit OK. It will say device paired successfully. Once you've done that, you go out of that back to your main screen, and then you want to put the car into programming mode. So for this, normal Toyota procedure, key in, key out twice, close and open the driver's door twice, key in, key out once, close and open the driver's door twice, close driver's door, key to the on position, off and remove. Locks will cycle. You then hold lock and unlock on the app, press unlock, locks will cycle again, turn the ignition on to off and open and close the door to exit programming mode, and then test the device. Now locks and unlocks the vehicle. Now there is another feature as well. So what you want to do is go into the settings, go to function settings, and then if you go to this option here, lock when Bluetooth unconnected, what will actually happen is as soon as you walk away from your car and your phone drops out of Bluetooth range with the device, your car will automatically lock. That's it. Thanks everyone.